how to fix missing domain option in GoDaddy. So here, if we click on our name and then we go into my products, normally you should see domain like I see it right here. So I have the domain section and it's going to give me a list of all my domains here, and I can play with the DNS settings or manage the domain itself. But what if this is missing for you? What can you do? So what we have to do is actually purchase a domain plan here. So I've just gone back to the GoDaddy website. I'm going to click on the menu here, and the first option should be domains. And you will see all of these options here, and you will just have to click on either of those to get a plan here. So you will have to get a plan for a domain in order to be able to use it. And then once you have purchased a plan here from the domain section, then you can find it in your products. And once you purchase a domain itself, then you will be able to see it here under domains in GoDaddy. And that's how we fix it. That's how you make it show up. I hope this helps. Leave a like and sub, and I'll see you next time.